Question number 3. A person has kept 4 cars to run on rent. The probability that any car is rented during the day is 0.6. Find the probability that more than 1 but less than 4 cars are rented during a day. Now here the number of cars that will be denoted as n. Where the question is asked you to find the probability that more than 1 but less than 4. n हमारा होता है नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स और उसके साथ अगर कहा जाए कि मोर देन 1 एंड लेस देन 4 दैट मीन्स दिस इज गिवन यू x. एक से ज़्यादा और 4 से कम तो ऐसे तो 2 and 3 are the numbers. Next we need to find out here it is given the probability that any car is rented during the day is 0.6. That will denote as a p, that is p is 0.6. Now only q is left to be found. तो q के लिए हम क्या ढूंढते हैं q equals to 1 minus p which is 1 minus p value is 0.6. If you get it minus it is 0.4. So out of this information let's keep the binomial probability distribution, that is p of x into p raise x q and minus x. First of all we'll take x value as a 2. Now n value is 4 into 2, p is 0.6, where raise x will keep 2, q is 0.4, where n is 4 minus 2. So here for the combination 2 digit पीछे जाएंगे 4 into 3, here 2 into 1. Next it is a square, so 0.6 into 0.6 will be multiplied. Next 4 minus 2 obviously square again to 0.4 into 0.4. Now this will be cut, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are, it becomes 6. If you get it multiply you will get 0.36. If you get them multiply you will get 0.16, and out of this multiply all of this number you will get 0.3456. So once we kept x value 2, now we'll keep 3. So next again we'll solve. This time x value will keep as 3. So here n is 4, 3 into p value is 0.6, raise 3 into 0.4 where n value is 4 minus 3. Now let's bifurcate this. 4 3 digit पीछे जाएंगे 4 3 2 down 3 2 1 multiply, this is a cube तो 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6 3 times. ऐसे आप मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करोगे तो भी चलेगा, कैलकुलेटर में कर देना, आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने ये किया है. 4 minus 3 it is 1, so it is remain only 0.4. So 3 and 2 will get cut, here value remain is 4. Multiply, if you remove this 3 times you will get 0.216 and this is once 0.4. अब तीनों डिजिट को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, आपको मिलेगा 3 4 5 6. Now here we'll take the total of it, that is once we put x value as a 2 and once we put x value as a 3. जब हमने 2 वैल्यू रखा तब भी हमारा आंसर सेम है, जब हमने x की वैल्यू 3 रखी तब भी हमारा आंसर सेम है. तो we'll write down 3 4 5 6 when the x value was 2, 3 4 5 6 when x value was 3. Add them together, it is 0.6912. Here we complete question number 3. Moving to the next. Question number 4. There are 200 farms in Taluka. Among the borewell made in this 200 farm of the Taluka, salted water is found in 20 farms. Means out of 200 farms, 20 farms they found salted water. Find the probability of the event of not getting salted water in 3 out of 5 randomly selected farm from the taluka. Now whenever the question is given like this, here you have to find out what is p, x, n and q. Now here salted water is found out of 20 farms. So here I am denoting as a probability of success, that is p is 20 out of 200 farms. Then it is given that find the probability of the event of getting salted water in 3 out of 5. Not getting salted water in 3 out of 5. Now if you remember, here the total number of sample is taken, that is 5. Now here you have to find out इज दिस इज x और डायरेक्टली यू आर गोइंग टू टेक. सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को समझना, उससे पहले उसको डायरेक्टली डिनोट मत करना कि 3 इज अ x. 3 इज नॉट द x. इफ यू रिमेंबर, मैंने x के लिए कहा था, n के लिए कहा था कि इट इज अ नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स, और x के लिए कहा था इट इज अ नंबर ऑफ सक्सीड. और यहाँ पर हमने प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस को डिनोट किया है एज अ 20 फॉर्म. तो जहाँ पर सॉल्टेड वाटर है, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस हमने यहाँ पर डिनोट किया कि वो सॉल्टेड वाटर होगा. और यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, नॉट गेटिंग सॉल्टेड वाटर आर 3 आउट ऑफ 5. मतलब गेटिंग सॉल्टेड वाटर मस्ट बी 2, नॉट गेटिंग इज 3, तो गेटिंग सॉल्टेड वाटर मस्ट बी 2. सो रिमेंबर, डायरेक्टली 3 को आप डिनोट मत कर देना कि वो 3 आउट ऑफ 5 है, तो 5 इज n एंड 3 इज योर x. नो, अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे आपको क्वेश्चन को ही अंडरस्टैंड करना है, क्योंकि अगर आप बाय मिस्टेक अगर यहाँ पर आप p की जगह पे q डिनोट करते हो, आपका आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. सो रिमेंबर, x यहाँ पे मैंने p प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस डिनोट किया कि सॉल्टेड वाटर. वही क्वेश्चन में दिया है नॉट गेटिंग सॉल्टेड वाटर आर 3 आउट ऑफ 5. तो हमें यहाँ पे ढूंढना है कि गेटिंग सॉल्टेड वाटर कितना है. तो 5 में से 3 नॉट गेटिंग सॉल्टेड वाटर है, तो मतलब 2 सॉल्टेड वाटर होगा. सो दिस इज हाउ आई डिड. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. मूविंग टू दी p अगर हम ढूंढ रहे हैं तो 0 कट हो जाएगा, 2 1s and 2 10s. So therefore here I am writing p equals to 1 upon 10. And if I have to find out q, it is 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 1 upon 10. Again यहाँ पे माइनस की साइन है, तो डिनोमिनेटर में हम 1 अज्यूम कर लेते हैं और एलसीएम ले लेते हैं. कॉमन नंबर विल कीप 10. 1 के टेबल में 10 से 10 होगा और 10 के टेबल में 1 से. 10 1s are 10 and 1 1s are 1. 10 minus 1, it is 9 upon 10. So here we got all the value, that is, here we got, I am just writing here separately, that is p equals to 1 upon 10, q equals to 9 upon 10, n equals to 5, and x equals to 2. Now I am taking this calculation on the next page. Here I wrote the formula, and out of this I am going to put value x as a 2. So n was 5, p what we found was 1 upon 10, raise x 2 into q we found was 9 upon 10, n is 5 minus x is 2. So let's solve this. 2 digit पीछे जाना है, तो 5 4 and 2 1. Next it is 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. Here 5 minus 2 means 3 times, so 9 into 9 into 9 down, 10 into 10 into 10. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 2s are, it is 10. If you get them multiply, it is 1 upon 10 into 10, it is 100. Then if you multiply 9 3 times, you will get 7 2 9, and 10 multiply 3 times, you will get 1000. Out of this 0 will get cancelled. So here we got 7 to 9, and down we have 1 0 0 0 0. And if you remove the solution, you will get 0.0729, and that's what the final answer. Moving to the next. Question number 5. An example is given to 6 students to solve. The probability of getting correct solution of the problem of any student is 0.6. Here we'll denote it as a p, and n number of students. Then students are trying to solve the problem independently. Find the probability of getting the correct solution by only 2 out of 6 students. So the number of success will denote it x as a 2. So let's write down here. X is equals to 2, n is 6, p is 0.6, and to find out q, that is 1 minus p. 1 minus p value is 0.6, you will get 0.4. So here we will put the formula. N is 6, where x value 2, p we found 0.6, raise, here p of x we denoted as 2. Then q is 0.4, n that is 6 minus x is 2. So 6 number will go descending order 2 digit, then this will move 0.6 into 0.6. 6 minus 2, it is 3. So this will be multiplied like this. Do it in your calculator. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So 3 5s are, it becomes 15. Into, if you get them multiply, you will get 0.36. And if you multiply this thrice, sorry, it is 4. 6 minus 2, it is 4 times. So if you multiply 4 times, you will get 0.0256 and get it multiply all together, you will get the answer 13824. So that's what the answer. And here we complete exercise 2.2. Moving to the main exercise.